You got so much better, and I destroyed All Might! I admired him so much! But it's because of me that he ended up losing his power! If I had been stronger, if I hadn't been kidnapping villains, then it never would have happened. I'm sorry for everything. You've made the right calls ever since you inherited One for All, in order to be our best selves. We'll save you, the refugees at UA, and everyone else. Anybody out there in need of a hero.
My door!
Now that you've laid your feelings out on the table, maybe you can understand each other. If you have mutual respect and focus on making one another stronger, I've no doubt you'll become the ultimate heroes, winning and saving people at the same time.